You're lost in the bush. Your friend says, walk bearing 045 degrees. What does that mean? Let's learn bearings. A bearing is the angle measured clockwise from north. Always write it with 3 digits, like 045 degrees. East is bearing 090. South is 180. West is 270. Always measure clockwise from north. To find the bearing of B from A, draw north at A, then measure the clockwise angle to B. Example 1. B is 30 degrees east of north from A. The bearing is 030 degrees. Simple. Now what's the bearing of A from B? Draw north at B. The angle clockwise is 180 plus 30 equals 210 degrees. Back bearing from C to A, subtract 180 from 220. Answer is 040 degrees. Always check your direction. Common mistake: measuring anti-clockwise. Bearings are always clockwise from north. Many students lose marks here. Remember, bearings start from north, go clockwise, use 3 digits. For back bearings, add or subtract 180 degrees. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more maths lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more exam questions. Good luck!